time flies. Time actually flies, and you cannot tell me otherwise. Like, July aa gaya hai. Like, actually, July of 2026 has come, and it just feels like yesterday we celebrated New Year 2026. Like, how is it possible? Like, just tell me, why is time flying so fast? I cannot, like, I feel like I'm still in 2020. I'm still in my 8th class. I am still living, I am still in that body. I cannot believe मेरी 10th हो गई है, मेरी 12th हो गई है. I have given all my competitive exam and I am going to college this year. I cannot believe that even though I took a drop year, I still feel like I am like like didn't I just grew up very quickly? And 6 months of 2026 are now already over. We are now in the seventh month of this year, and in just 5 more months, we'll be entering in a new year. Like, how is it possible? Like, just this is not true. Something's wrong with the time or whatever. I don't know. But personally, I feel like I'm still that 12 or 13-year-old girl in her 8th class who is going to attend her online classes. And sometimes it just feels like whenever you look into those past photographs or those memories, and we live in a very like great era where we can just record our memories for our future selves to see, and when we actually see those memories it just feels like, oh my god, didn't it just happen yesterday? Didn't we went on this trip just yesterday? Didn't I just passed my grade 10 yesterday or grade 12 yesterday? Some, when days are like, when time is just not going according to you, or when you're just not having a very great time of your life, you might feel like time's going very fast. But when you actually overcome that period and move on to a relatively happier period of life, you feel, and when you look back at that time again, you just feel like it was not that difficult, or it was, I was just crashing out for no reason at that time. Probably I am thinking of my 10th grade, especially when I was like, oh my god, it's my 10th boards, how will I be able to do this? It's boards, like boards. How will I be able to do this? But actually, when thinking of it now, it was like 10th is nothing. 10th is nothing compared to what you are going to experience in the next coming years. So just take a chill pill and enjoy. So when we actually think about time flying, like how we actually how it's been 6 years since COVID, since lockdown, and it just feels like yesterday. And in the next 5 years, when we'll be sitting in 2027, we'll think, oh my god, it's been 7 years since it's COVID. It just feels like yesterday. I think we should uh, live the very moment. We should learn how to live in the present and not thinking about the past things, or not think about what the future will be like just living and enjoying the present should be a skill that we should all learn, because time is flying super fast, don't know what's the reason. And yeah, so I think because of this time miracle that is happening, I don't know, we should just learn to enjoy our time now, whatever we have right now, even if we are going to through a tough time or a good time or a not so like a mundane time, like a boring period of time. For example, right now I am going through, like, there is nothing to do right now, but I think we should just enjoy every bit of, because every bit of moment that we have in the present, because who knows, probably in the future we are going to miss this moment the most, because time is flying. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah, that's it. that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, and bye bye.